Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Area channel. Now I will give you a tutorial how to add phone number on a LinkedIn for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's go to the start. First we go to the LinkedIn application that you have been to install it before. Click on the LinkedIn. And after that you must go to the upper of the left corner. There is have a symbol or the photos. Click on, and the next step you can go to the settings. Okay, and for the next step 2 you can go to sign in and the security. And I want to click the phone number because I want to add my phone number on LinkedIn. Okay, click on the phone number. And the next step, click on the add phone number. Okay, the first one, the thing you want to click the United States here, it means you can to change for the country and type the phone number here. And after that, enter your LinkedIn password. And then after that, click the send code. Okay, go to the messaging. There is a LinkedIn verification code and a type for your LinkedIn. Type here. And after you type, you can click verify. And now your phone number is added for your LinkedIn account. It's very simple way to do it. Okay, this is a tutorial how to add phone number on LinkedIn for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.